Well, hello and welcome back. We are back with another GPT Voicer tutorial. In this, we are going to look at how to create Blackboard videos. Okay, here we have the Whiteboard video, and in the last video, we did actually create a Whiteboard video, but in this, we're going to look at how to create Blackboard videos. And I'm going to show you more tips and tricks on how to get your fonts and all done correct. I'm going to show you all that. And this is Michael Peter, and I want to thank you for joining me on this video. So, like we are always creative, let's enter another video title here. Let's say Blackboard video. Sounds good, right? Let's look at a font. The brush script is a nice one, but it's very difficult to read it. So if you use the default, it goes to the default brush script, and if you leave it as such, the users who are, or the viewers who are watching your video will find it difficult to actually read the text on the screen. So go with something like Verdana, which is good, or you can go with Helvetica. Lucida is good. Anything that's not serif, okay, those are good. So let's go with Arial is okay, but Verdana is bigger, the font size is bigger. So let's look at what font size we want to create. That depends on our video resolution. We have 4 different video resolutions here. You have HD 720p, Full HD 1080p, let's standard, which is 480, and Instagram post, which is square. So that's good. If you want to do something for Instagram, you can do it here in this. Let's look at Full HD. Okay, we'll come back to this background music and volume. Let's look at this here. In the last video, I didn't show you this, but this is there for you as a guide. So if you're choosing HD 1080p font size 20, you can have 30 words per line. Now 30 words per line is a lot of words, and 20 font size is something most people cannot really read clearly. 50 is a good font size which you can use, which has only 13 words per line. And if you want to use the font size 80, you can get up to 8 words per line, which is about approximately 35 to 40 characters. Okay, now how am I going to split all these into these kind of character limits? I'll show you. I have a neat little tool for you which you can use for this very purpose. Now if you choose a different resolution, just make sure you follow where it says ideal size for most videos. Here it says ideal size for most videos. Just look at this section here and you should get all the information you need. Now let's look at this font size. So what do we want to do? We'll go with something like 80. Let's go with 75. Okay, just let's not crank it up all the way to 80. I don't know how big the font size would be. A font color, let's keep it white. Background is black, so we're creating a Blackboard video, right? You can choose yellow to be your font color if you want. On black, yellow looks good on black, but stick to white or yellow for the font color, which should be good for most Blackboard videos. Background volume, let's keep it at 0.1 or 0.15. 0.15 is good. There's about 36 different background tracks to choose from. I don't know what I selected the last time, but you can definitely choose something, play it back and see, listen to it. And let's go with 17. Whoa, haunted music. 7. So okay, let's go with 7. This time, last time we used a voice Christopher. Let's use Brandon. I think I like Brandon, so let's go with that. Now coming to the text. Okay, so let's see what's the text that I have. Here's my text. Okay, I've got 3 paragraphs, and now I want to put that here, and I want to split these 3 paragraphs into about 10 slides. Okay, so let's do that together. But I also want to be able to split this into about 40 characters, right? How do I do that? So I'm going to copy my text, and I'm going to go to a tool which I'll just show you right now, which is called wordwrap.net. word-wrap.net. This is going to help you with wrapping your text. This is mainly used for email marketing, so if you are into email marketing, this is something you can definitely use. The default will be 35 here. I've updated it to show 40. and now all I have to do is click on word wrap my text and look at the magic. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna copy this one here. Okay, you can just copy wrap text to clipboard. Okay, go back to GPT Voicer and paste it here. So now we're gonna have all this appear on the screen as is. Okay, let's now split this into different slides. So the first slide, let's keep it as one sentence. Here's a second one. Okay, let's move it down to the next line. Of course, you don't need to do that, but it's a long sentence. Okay, let's go with this one. Here's another sentence. Okay, then here's another sentence. Okay, it shows you how many more you can add, how many more slide breaks you can add. You can have 6 more. So let's see, do I have 6 more sentences? Here's one more. Just checking if I missed anything out. Okay, here's another sentence which was pretty quick, but I don't think I want to use that there. Let's see, should I or not? I don't know. I'm gonna add it here, and if I still have remaining, I'll come back and add it. Oh yeah, I have 4 more remaining, so let's add one more here. Okay, and then okay, I think that should be it. Let's create the video and see. Let's see if we missed anything out. So we got the video title, we got word runner 75, font color white, background color black. We're doing it at 1080p, background music volume is just 0.15. We selected a background music. We got our voiceover, which is male Brandon. We got the video script here, which we word wrapped using word-wrap.net, and we are ready. We added the slide breaks. We're good. Create video. Let me just pause and get back to you. It took a while, about maybe 40 seconds or so, but that's okay. Our Blackboard video is ready. Yeah, let's click on edit. I can download it directly, but I'm going to click on edit and see if we can add some more elements to it, which you can. Okay, this is 1 minute and 6 seconds. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Maybe you might want it centralized. Currently, I still do not know how to do that unless we create a centralized alignment text, maybe in Microsoft Word or somewhere else, and copy that into GPT Voicer. But for now, I think this looks good. Let's play it back and see, listen to it.
In today's fast-paced digital world, list building techniques and methods have become essential.
This is
for anyone
Brendan.
who are looking to reach out to their target audience. Email marketing has proven to be one of the most effective ways for businesses to communicate with potential customers, but a strong and engaged email list is a must-have to run a successful campaign.
Okay, it sounds good. Let's see, we have some more options here. So let's look at this text option here. Now what can we do with this text? It's a watermark. So let's say you have an offer that's running and you have some kind of shortened version of a URL. You can use that one here and position it on the video somewhere, maybe down here, so that through the video people are able to see your call to action or the URL where you want them to go. So let's see. Okay, I have an offer here at mcpeta.com/72r. You can also go check it out if you want. I'm going to have the opacity to 1, top left, or I'm going to select center bottom. Size, let's keep it at 50. Okay, this text is 75, so 50 will be slightly smaller than that. What else should we select? Font style, let's keep it at PTC. I don't know what that is. Border around text, no. Border color, of course that's not gonna. What else do we need? Okay, I thought there should be some option for padding, but I don't. Oh yeah, here it is, padding. Let's keep it at 30. Okay, So now let's text watermark it. It's going to take some time to apply this watermark to the video, but it's a good way if you want to just get people to any offer that you have. And since we are still in the edit menu, you can go back and edit your watermark text. Okay, here it says text added into video. That's great. Let's see it now. Down there. Oh, okay, it's down there. I think I should
In today's fast-paced digital world,
there it is. I think I should move the padding. We kept it at about 30 something. We should move it up to 50. Padding is the distance from the bottom of the screen to wherever. So 30 is small, 50 or maybe 60 should be good, where the text would appear here. And the text size also, we selected 50. You can have it bigger if you want it, but that's about it. You've got so many more options here. So let's see what this thumb does. No, reverse speed. If you want it faster or slower, you can trim it. If there's something that you don't want, you can trim it. And now let's look at the image. Image watermark. If you want to watermark it with an image, so you have a logo, you can watermark it with the logo here. So there's a lot more options you can choose from here. Just go ahead, play around with GPT Voicer. Creating these kind of faceless whiteboard or blackboard videos is so much easier with this tool, and also the other tool that I showed you, wordwrap.net. Make use of these tools and grow your business. Just upload these videos to YouTube, make them informative, make them entertaining, and just upload them to YouTube. People will learn from these videos. People will look at the links in your description, and yes, you can be up and ready to make profits very soon. So that's it for this video on GPT Voicer Video Generator. Thank you for joining me in this video. I'll see you in another GPT Voicer tutorial. Oh, by the way, before you go, just check out the special offer I have for GPT Voicer for you. If you want to get access to this tool, you can get it at a fraction of the price that it's being sold currently. Just check out the link in the description and you should be able to get a deal you will love. All right, thank you again for joining me in this video. I'll see you in another one.